everybody, it's Liz with Liz at Tim's Budgets, here to do another penny challenge update today. This is actually half a week late. My only excuse is that the weather here in eastern Montana is a little bit crazy, and it keeps going to, the temperature keeps going from cold to frigid to cold to frigid to cold to frigid, and it is screwing with me so bad to the point where all I can do is sit in a chair until it's time to go to bed at night. So we are switching it up just a little bit. I'm on my lunch hour so we can get this done and not have to worry about it after work. So I will go ahead as normal. I'm going to organize the money and I will be right back. We are back and let's get going to have a total over on the edge so that off the edge of the camera so that I don't mess it up this time. So we have 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 26. 1, 2, 3, 25, 30, so 31 cents, so $29.31. Okay. All right, we are going to start. See, I knew I was going to do something. I always do. I always lose my total at some point. 29.31. So I'm going to scoot you guys in just a little bit so you can see my numbers a little better. Trying to get that to where there isn't a huge glare. I don't think I can. I might have to move you back out. Okay. Have to be. Well, I hope you guys can see that. That's where it's going to have to be. So $29.31 minus $2.52. Minus 2.51. Minus 2.50. Minus 2.49. Minus 2.48. Minus 2.47. Okay, we are moving on to a different color and a different row. Okay, so 14.34 minus 2.46. Minus 2.45. Minus 2.44. right? Minus 2.42. Minus 2.41. Right, that is all that we can do with this row. We did pretty good, got quite a ways. Okay, so let's flip it over and see if $2.16 is available, which it is, and we will fill that one in. And we are done with this week's penny challenge update. There was quite a bit of leftover money in my wallet this week. Not quite as much change, but some cash. All right, and we are very close to being done with the back page. That's so exciting. Thank you for being here along this journey and having patience with my non-scheduled uploads that I am going through in this period of winter. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye.